Um, this number one. They gave you -1, -2. So the equation is 4x plus y equal -6, and 2x plus 4y equal -10. So what you want to do, and for this equation, you plug in your -1. As you can see, that's what I did. 4 from right there times -1 from right there, plus your y, and your y in this case is -2, and it give you -6, and that's what you were looking for, -6. That's what you were looking for, so it checks out. In this equation, 2x plus 4y equal -10. 2 times, in this case, x is -1. In this case, y is -2. 2 times -1 plus 4 times -2 equal -10. Do it equal -10. 2 times -1 is -2. 4 times -2 is 8. So yes, it do checks out. It do give you -10. So this number one, it means yes, it do work. For number two, it says something about graphing. Y equal x minus 7. That's my graph right here, as you can see. Basically, I took some numbers, as you can see, like +1, which gave me a -6. I dotted that. 2, which gave me a -5. I dotted that. So on. 3 minus 4, 4, minus, 3, just plug in, and your x-intercept is, your y-intercept is -7, as you can see. That's down there. 2x minus 8, you just do the same thing. Pick some numbers, 0 or 1. Your y-intercept is -8. Plug in some numbers, and what both of these graphs have in common is the point 1, -6. So 1, plug in 1 in here, that give you -6. Plug in 1 right here, that give you -6. That's the intersection, and you can see it right here if I was to grab both of them on the same line. 1, -6. 1, -6. Sorry, I had a text message. And 1, -6. That's number 2. You can rewind if you want. Number 3 says, I guess you are solving for, I'm solving for y right here. That's what you gotta do, solve for y. As you can see the arrow, x go to the other side, which give you a 2y equal 4 minus x. Divide by 2, and you get y equal 2 minus 1/2 x. Okay. That's that one right there. And they show by graph, that's my graph. So what you graphing is 2 minus 1/2 x plus 2. Or 2 minus 1/2 x, don't matter. Your y-intercept is 2, as you can see. 1, 2, that's your y-intercept. That's where the graph crosses the y-intercept. Apply that. Okay, you go over here to your next equation. 3x minus 2y equal -12. Move the 3x to the other side, and you get minus 2y equal 12 minus 3x. Divide by -2 because you want y by itself. You get y equals 6. That means -12 divided by -2 give you 6. -3x over -2 give you 3/2 x. That's why I got this equation right here. And that graph looks like this. 6 is your y-intercept. That's where the graph crosses it. And both of these intercepts at -2 and 3. Basically, it's just like number 2, but it's -2, 3. That's your answer right there, -2, 3. That's the intersection. That means you plug in -2, and you should get 3 for this equation and that equation. Number 4. Let me see where we're going. Number 4. Oh, number 4. This probably be the last one for this video. Y equal 5x minus 5, and they give you 2y. Hold on. Text message. 2y plus 8x equal -28. Okay, Dad, this is what you're supposed to do now. Just like you always do. You plug in your y into your 2y plus x. That's what I did. See the arrows? This is your y from up there. You factor. 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times minus 5 is 10, -10. Bring down your 8x. Bring down your -28. Now let's solve for x, or solve for x. Minus 10 over here, plus 10 over there. That's gonna give you minus 18. These 10x's you combine, you see the arrow, you combine them at 18x equal negative 18. How you get x by itself? Divide by 18, and you'll get a negative 1, x equal negative 1. And then what you do is plug in x equal negative 1 into any one of these formulas, any one of them. So that means the first formula is y equal 5x minus 5. We know our x. Y equal 5 times negative 1, which is negative 5 minus 5, give you 10. Okay, y equal negative 10. Let's see if that works for this function. 2y plus 8x equal negative 28. So what you do is 2 times y plus 8x equal negative 28. So 2 times y, 2 times negative 10 minus 20 plus 8 times x. That's negative 8. Do that equal negative 28. Do negative 20 plus negative 8 equal 28? Yes, you do. That checks out for number 4. Alright, that's going to be in the next movie.